Good morning, boys. What is up? Today is Monday, August 18th. I caught around, I think 50 points today. In total, I made $2,880 across all 8 of my accounts. I made 400 or 397 on 5 tops of accounts, and then I made 600 on one Alpha Capital, and I made 200 on another Alpha Capital. Found out they weren't copy traded, so I just re-entered late and didn't even bother to enter on the third because that's actually insane. But let's go over the trade recap of the day. So coming into market open, I see we are respecting a daily bullish order block. This is my daily bullish order block. We are respecting it, right? I want price to push higher. We are respecting this daily bullish order block at the time on the hourly time frame. We are somewhat respecting it. We're not really bearish when there's no bearish gap, right? The only bearish gap that we are going to respect is this one up here that we tapped into and pushed down from, right? And this one up here that we did end up respecting, but this gap was my draw on liquidity for the day. We are in a daily bullish order block, and we have a unfilled 1 hour fair value gap resting above us, right? If we hop down to the 15-minute time frame, right, we can see there's a bearish 15-minute gap right here that price is tapping into, but is not really respecting the entire day, right? Since 7:45 a.m., price is in this bearish 15-minute gap, but it is never actually respecting it. Damn, we just dumped 20 points. But it never actually respected it. We just consolidated in it for like 5 hours. We never got a real displacement from it. Matter of fact, we got a candle closure to the upside after consolidating in it for so long, right? Let's look at the 1-minute time frame, right? We have these highs resting above us. We also have unfilled hourly gaps resting above us. And we also have London and Asian highs. All the more reasons for me to be bullish. So what do I see, right? Pre-market, we chop around in this 15-minute. I don't see us respecting it. But what I do see is price make a bearish 5-minute. I want price to inverse this pre-market so I can take a long to London highs or to the unfilled hourly. But instead, what I get is price taps into it, respects it. What do I want out of that now? I want to see price respect a bullish, what's it called? The confluence. Sorry, I'm retarded today. I want to see price respect a bullish confluence after respecting that bearish one. So tap into a bearish 5-minute. What do we do after that? We respected this volume imbalance on this 1-minute FEG, creating a rejection block, right? We tap into it, displace from it at 9:29 when we respect it. I entered long, stops below this low, right here. Yes, my final draw on liquidity was this hourly. I could have banged a 1 to 7 RR, which would have been ridiculous, but instead what I got was a 1, 2, 3, which is not bad at all. 1 to 3 RR. Honestly, I'm really happy with that. This is the trade we took at market open. Obviously, TP instantly got hit. Caught 20 points on this trade. Second trade was based off the fact that we were rejecting every bearish confluence, right? If we look at the 15-minute, we ended up tapping into this premium one to actually displace down from it. On the 5-minute, we inverse this bullish gap. We are pushing lower. We make a 5-minute CISD. We tap into it, respect it. On the 2-minute, right? Let me delete this so you guys aren't as confused. Right. Like I said, first trade is based off a bullish bias. 15-minute was consolidating inside a bearish gap. Didn't think we were going to respect it. Then we got a 1-minute fair value gap respect to the upside. And a 1-minute rejection block. That is when I entered long, targeting that internal high, right? Now, if we... it was also a 2-minute fair value gap. All the better confluences. Didn't even see the 2-minute. Now, if we go into the 2-minute time frame again, we can see that we have a current low, pre-market low, right here, right? We also made a bearish S&T at these highs. You can see right here at 948 or 949. ES actually took out that high. At 949, ES made a new high, while Nasdaq failed to. So we have a bearish S&T. After that bearish S&T, we get a 5-minute inversion to the downside. After that, we tap into this bullish 2-minute, and then from there, we get a 1-minute CISD, Wednesday CISD, down closing candle, sweep of that high, down closing candle before that, below this down closing candle's body's close. Bearish CISD, I entered in right before the candle closed, and then it gave us a little dump to the downside right there, targeting this low. This is the trade that I made $600 on, right? So the first trade, this one I made 397, right? Because that's 20 points, so realistically it was like there. Like this is my actual fill and shit. Basically $400 on 5 tops up accounts. Second trade right here, I entered in 2 contracts. I made $650 on my Alpha Capital accounts. Now, at this point in time, I have not traded two of my accounts, and I see that price. We have an SMT at this low at this point in time, right? It's this low. Is it the 5 a.m. low? I'm not sure, actually. Yeah, 5 a.m. low. And if you see, we make a crazy bullish SMT with this low at this point in time right here. Bullish SMT. And we get a fat displacement to the upside. I do enter in long after I see a large displacement to the... we have a CISD right here. After we respect that CISD, I see an up closing candle. Unfortunate that it was so big. That sounds so wrong. But it was a large displacing candle to the upside, respecting a 1 minute CISD coming out of an SMT after we swept current low of day. Right? So we make a new low of day. Right? Keep in mind we swept all of session liquidity. Right? We swept London, we swept Asia. So we sweep current low of day, turtle soup it, make an SMT at low of day. I am still bullish on the day. I don't want to see price push lower like it is right now. On top of that, what do we get when 10 a.m. opens? When 10 a.m. opens, we get a bearish 4-hour fair value gap, right? So now we have a bearish 4-hour fair value gap, SMT at low of day, and a large displacement to the upside right here. Only 1 minute time frame after respecting the CISD. Enter in long. I believe stops were set at like $600 or something, so it just wouldn't be that big of a loss. TP at the unfold 4-hour, as you can see, souped my TP and then dumped on the spot. I made 300 something. I entered in very light size on this trade, so I did only make 300 something on this trade on one account because it's the Alpha Capital 0 accounts. I didn't even enter on the other account. So one of my accounts is flat. One of my accounts is up 200 something. Let me double check that with you guys actually. Let me fact check myself. All right, so for starters, my tops of accounts are up 372, not 390. And my Alpha Capital accounts are up 640, 246, and 0 because I didn't trade it. Yeah. Yeah, that sounds right. Not a bad day. We made 640 plus 250 is 900 on Alpha Capital plus 372 times 5. 900 plus 1,860 is 2,760. Not a bad day at all. We're up $2,800 on the day. Great day. If you guys have any questions about the trade, if you guys are interested in joining the free Discord, it is a great fucking community. I literally have traders there passing their accounts every fucking day, and it's fire. It's honestly straight happiness to see, right? I have the free Discord in the bio, and if you guys are interested in actually me hand holding your ass to profitability, I just had like 3 students hit 10K months, which is crazy for me to say because I would not even hit a 10K month myself a year ago today, and now I am helping others do that. So if you guys are interested in the one-on-one mentorship, I will also leave the link in the description for you guys. Hope you guys have a great fucking day. Hope you traded safe. I'll see you boys tomorrow, and peace out.